My name's Eric, and I'm going to be going to 10th grade next year. So, my first goal was to make my robot move and the camera move and to make it jump. And so, the second milestone, which I have already done, was to make an enemy which repeatedly moves to the user and to repeatedly make the enemy drop projectiles. In this case, we're going to be using bombs. And so if we run this uh, game, we have our robot here, and our enemy is dropping bombs. And I've also added the animation and added the timer where after it explodes, it disappears. So it won't lag the game. And I haven't done on collision yet, which I will be doing the next goal. And so let's look at some of the scripts I've been doing. Uh, so let's see. Check explosion. This is for the bomb. So what check explosion really does, it's really just a timer that runs basically every frame. In every frame, it's going to set timer, a variable, to time the delta time, which is like in real life time. And once timer is greater than 2, then the animation is going to start, and after 0.67f, then it's just going to destroy the game object and set the timer. So what that's going to do is just going to start the animation after a period of time, just disappear. And for bomb movement, this is for the enemy. So we first set a variable to determine how far the x position of the player is to the enemy. And why we are doing this, it's because we are only checking the X position because we do not want the enemy to move towards the user at a Y direction, because then it wouldn't make sense if it would drop bombs. So we only use the X position. So that is why we are only using uh, these things. We're only using moving right and moving left. We're not moving up or down. So that's why we're doing that. And the last thing I did was launch projectile. And this is just launching the projectile. And what it does is sets the timer at each frame. Once the timer is greater than 1.5, it will create a new projectile, the bomb, and it will set the timer to 0. And it will use launch velocity to do this. And yeah, that's pretty much it.